Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Pathetic IFFI preparation, last-minute red carpet, CCTV installation still on, security lapses, late allotments of stalls, ESG messes up IFFI. Goan filmmakers upset as ESG fails to invite them for IFFI inaugural ceremony. Filmmakers say such management will bring shame and bad name to IFFI. Police constable dies in head-on accident with rickshaw at Raibandar. Tempo carrying 20 students from Doda Mart Turtles at Sakli, 15 injured, shifted to hospital. Archbishop visits Old Goa, reviews preparedness for exposition, raises apprehensions over water and power supply during exposition, work at venue still on. And 45th edition of IFFI opens, Rajnikant conferred with Centenary Award, venue and permanent auditorium for IFFI at Donapal, says Parikar. Many VIPs were left standing due to shabby seating arrangements. And now the news in detail. IFFI organization has been a messy affair. IFFI preparations were on by ESG even at the 11th hour. Security arrangements are full of lapses. Shockingly, few work orders were issued on Thursday morning. Painting was going on at important places. CCTVs were not installed at many places till late evening. Inaugural ceremony is over, but preparations for IFFI are still underway.
Goa is hosting IFFI for last 11 years. It is held on the scheduled date every year, known well in advance. But still, every year, ESG lags behind in making the necessary preparations on time. This year, it was not a different story. IFFI inaugural ceremony is over, but the preparation were on till the last minute, even while the guests were arriving in the auditorium. 2 metal detectors were not given connections. CCTV installations were on till late evening. The security system were in shambles for a function where Defence Minister of country was present. Same situation prevailed at the ESG. Decoration work was going on till late evening. Red carpet, the most vital part, was still under preparations. When Prudent contacted a worker, he said that they received work orders on Thursday morning itself.
हम भी एक घर के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं अभी ये जल्दी से ऐसे ही है। अच्छा
ऑर्डर अब भी मिला इसलिए हुआ
अभी मतलब उनके लिए मिला सुबह।
The stalls installed by roadside were also in pathetic state. They were not given power connection till last moment. Stall decoration was also underway. Stall painting was taken up during last minute. More surprisingly, stalls were allotted just 3 days in advance. A giant screen has been erected at Kampal football ground, but this plan was not complete till Thursday morning. Bureau Report, Prudent.
ESG invited filmmakers from nook and corner of the world for IFFI, but tragically forgot son of the soil. ESG failed to invite Goan filmmakers and film artists. Goan artists are totally upset with the ESG for this major lapse. Renowned filmmaker Lakshmikant Shetgankar said that such incidents will not only demoralize Goans, but will also bring bad repute to IFFI worldwide.
10 days long 45th edition of IFFI has begun from Thursday. ESG invited renowned artists from the worldwide, but forgot to invite the Goan filmmakers and artists.
सामका वाईट दिसता की आमकां फिल्म प्रोड्युसरांक बऱ्याचशा फिल्म प्रोड्युसरांक म्हणूंक शकता आमच्या संस्थेच्या मेंबरांक अजुनूय सादें इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शनाचें इन्विटेशन मेळूना. दिस इज अ व्हेरी शॉकिंग न्यूज कारण तुमी हो IFFI कोणा खातीर करता हो प्रश्न उपस्थित जाला आतां. सध्या IFFI म्हणजे कांय लोकांचे चरण्याचें कुरण जालां, चरपाचें कुरण जालां, फक्त लोक खातात ताचेर.
Lakshmikant Shetgankar, a Goan filmmaker who brought laurel to nation and state through his film Paltarso Manis, was also excluded from invitee list. Shetgankar says if such scenario continues, then ESG might bring bad reputation to IFFI.
ESGचे सक्सेस म्हाका पावना आणि इन्विटेशनूय मेळोना. ESGची ही इनएफिशियन्सी हांव सदांच सांगत आयला की एटलिस्ट तुमी एक 8 दीस पयलीं प्लॅनिंग करपाक जाय आणि हे ते प्लॅनिंग करिना हें आतां सारकें प्रूव जालां. आणि सगळ्यात वर्स्ट म्हणजे जेन्ना गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट 10 ते 13 कोटी खर्च करता तेन्ना कमीत कमी गोयच्या फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटीक एक 10-15 लोकांक तरी तुम्ही आफोवचे टायमार आफोवचे इतली आमी एक्सपेक्ट केले चूक कितें आसा. जी काम करपाची जी पद्दत आसा पळय ती सामकी सरकारी जे लोक काम करतात तांच्या सकयल्या दर्जाची आसा. आणि म्हाका दिसता की बेगीतल्या बेगीन ESG प्रोफेशनल्स लोकांक हाडपाचे आणि बरे भशेन ह्या फेस्टिवलाचे ऑर्गनायझेशन करचे नाजाल्यार ही आमकांय न्हू तर ऑल ओव्हर आमच्या देशात सुद्धा ही लज जातली.
Film producer Dr. Pramod Salgaonkar to express disappointment over IFFI this year.
इन्विटेशन ना तेच सांगता सगळी सिस्टमी जेन्ना इन प्लेस आसता तेन्ना आमी कितले सिनेमा आवडटा सिनेमा करपी लोक न्ही सो खंय तरी एक मनाक दिसता की ह्या वर्सा म्हजें फिल्म ना सो हांव ना अशें म्हाका फिलींग जालें. आणि दुसरें म्हणजे थंय ऑर्गनायझेशन खंय तरी कमी पडटा म्हणजे सिस्टम्स इन प्लेस वेवस्थीत ना लायनी लोकांच्यो तिकेट्स काडपा खातीर लायनी थंय आनीक अशें इनॉग्रल फंक्शनाक जर इवन VIP जेन्ना थंय वचून पळयतात आमी की दुसरे लोक बसल्या तर लोकांक उठोवन मागीर आपणें बसप बिसप हें वेवस्थीत जायना आनी खंय वचून तरी मागीर दिसता की आसूं त्या पेक्षा आमी चॅनलांचेर पळयल्लो बरो इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी अशें म्हाका दिसता.
घरा येवंक ना गेली 2 वर्सां आमकां पास घरा येना कित्याक हेच्या पयलीं 2 वर्सां पयलीं म्हणजे ह्या वर्सा आनी गेल्या वर्सा तेच्या पयलीं आमकां घरा कडेन ओपनिंग आनी क्लोजिंगचे पास IFFI स्टार्ट जावचे 2 दीस पयलीं येताले. स्वता पर्सनली ह्या फंक्शनाक काही इंट्रस्ट आसना कित्याक ओपनिंग आनी क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी म्हाका वचपा अशेंय दिसना कित्याक आमकां जास्त इंट्रस्ट आसता फिल्माक. पूण आमचे जे बाकीचे फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी आहा तांकांय म्हाका दिसता ओपनिंग क्लोजिंगाक इंट्रस्ट आसचें ना. ESG जे कोण ते बसलेले आसा आमचे कर्मचारी ते जे आमच्या फिल्ममेकरांक निग्लेक्ट करता तेज्या बद्दल हांव आमच्या फिल्ममेकरांक गोंयच्यांक सपोर्ट करता.
Bureau Report Prudent.
15 students were injured in an accident at Sankli as a Chota Hathi tempo totaled on a steep turn. 20 students stuffed in a small tempo were travelling from Doda Marg to Ravindra Bhavan Sankli for an exhibition. 9 students are admitted at Sankli PHC and remaining 6 students were shifted to the GMC. Meanwhile, a police constable, Gaurish Gaonkar from Hivre Palpoi, died on the spot after a head-on collision with a rickshaw at Raibandar near Panji.
Police Constable Gaurish Gaonkar from Hivre Valpai died on the spot in a fatal accident at Ribandar Pato. Gaurish was posted on duty at Town Police in Panji. He was on his way to home via Panji Old Goa route when a rickshaw banged his two-wheeler head-on. Rickshaw was trying to overtake another vehicle. Police have arrested the rickshaw driver. In another accident, 20 students from Navdurga High School from Doda Marg had a narrow escape from tragedy. 20 students stuffed in a Chota Hathi tempo were en route to Ravindra Bhavan at Sakri for an exhibition. But their trip took a horrible turn at a steep turn in Sakri when the tempo turtled. Fortunately, there were no casualties. 15 students have been injured. 6 students severely injured were shifted to Sakri PHC, while 9 students were moved to the GMC. The tempo was followed by another vehicle which carried the teachers from the school.
गाडी पास टेम्पो
तुम्ही कितले जण आले बरे स्कूलाचे?
आम्ही 20-25 जण आलो.
खंय वयताले?
रवींद्र भवना प्रदर्शनात.
खंयच्या स्कूलाचे?
नवदुर्गा माध्यमिक विद्यालय
आई महाराष्ट्र.
दोडा मार्ग. त्यांनी गाडी पडसायडीच येता म्हणून डायरेक्ट सायडीक घेतली ती मुखाल्ली डायरेक्ट आणि पलटी.
काय कशासाठी आले होते?
रवींद्र चित्र मंदिर प्रदर्शन बघायला.
किती मुलं होती? 20 होते. एका गाडीमध्ये 20 होते.
ॲक्सिडंट कदाचित एकंदर पळयत जाल्यार ड्रायव्हराची बरी चुकी आसा त्या ॲक्सिडंटान थोडीशी सांबाळपाक जाय आशिल्ली. म्हणजे ओवर स्पिडी खातीर जाला आसतलो आनी थोडोसो स्कूल मॅनेजमेंटाचो निग्लिजन्स भरपाक जाय. एट अ टायम इतल्या भुरग्यांक एके गाडयेन त्या भरपाक जायना आशिल्ली तितकी तेंच्यांनी ओवरलोड त्या गाडयेनूय भरलेली.
Devendra Gaonkar and Uday Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.